Hi, Della. Hi. A good option to add wood to a purlin is to cut 45-degree angles on 2 of the corners. So the nail is actually still in there. I'm just doing an example. If I clamp here, this is going to fall off. So I need to clamp where the 45-degree angle is. So it just only clamps onto the purlin. The clamp's missing the board now. And now I just put that in there. So use 2 small clamps. See, when I pull on it, it's not going anywhere. I was hoping that I could just use magnets to hold the 2x4 holder on, but they're too weak. The 2x4. And just so if there was more wood there, when you squeeze it to hold the wood in place, it doesn't clamp tight enough. So, scrap that idea.